What's up, everyone? You know who it is, and welcome to the Hawk Crypto Mining YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be doing a follow-up video to a video I did about a month ago right here on the brand new Hivemapper. Guys, it's been a great experience. I love it. I can't wait to share it with you. But first, understand that none of this is financial advice. We have to roll the intro. We got to roll the ad. Let's get to it.
Where are my GPU miners at? I'd like to introduce you to HobbyistMiners.store, who can turn down a high quality t-shirt with your favorite NVIDIA graphics cards in a simplistic design. The spring 2023 collection just dropped a few weeks ago with 17 brand new limited edition designs. What makes them limited edition? Well, every 3 months a brand new collection is released and their previous one is decommissioned forever. It'll never be sold again. Stop on over and check out your favorite GPU mining t-shirts at HobbyistMiners.store today.
Real quick, guys, before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to the Hobbyist Miner who sent me this shirt. Dude, I love it. Fits great. I love the material. If you guys are interested in these designs, make sure you hit the link in the description below to his store. He's got new stuff coming out all the time. One more thing. Dad mode has been activated.
Holy Twin Powers, activate!
Yes, my son is about a week old. That's why I look sleep deprived, but we're gonna make it through this video. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first things first, I wanna let you guys know that mapping with the Hivemapper in different areas of the country will yield a different amount of token. Okay, so don't take my numbers and think that it's gonna be the same for you. It could be worse, it could be better. It really depends on your area and your region, so make sure you pay attention to that. Okay, so let's get into some things that I recently learned. If you look over here, there's a blue barrier or border around this certain area of Miami. Now, that's the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area, a little bit of Hialeah in that photo as well. And what that means is that there's a high demand for photos for this area that other companies or individuals want. So it means that you could potentially get more token yield. Now, hold on, that does not necessarily mean more money, and that doesn't mean you're gonna get it all the time because it depends on the area and how frequently it's gonna get mapped. Please do not compare my earnings to your earnings because every area is different when we get to that part of the video, but I just wanna let you know that it can depend. Now, if I zoom out real quick, which I'll do now, if we go out, now you can see most of my area in Florida has these blue barriers, right? I live in this area over here, and I am all in this here, right? So now you can see here that Central Florida is not really heavily requested. It's usually the metropolitan cities, highly condensed areas, right? Where these people want this data. All right, so let's talk about the best part of this video, profitability. Okay, so I've earned about 11,686.22683 honey tokens, which if we go to CoinMarketCap that I have right here, translates to about $236.22 as of making this video. If you're considering purchasing this device, this is not financial advice. This is only my experience and what I've earned. Okay, so going through the payments and how much I made and how much I was paid out per day, it kind of varies, honestly. So one day, my first day that I hive mapped, I earned 4,100. Now, that's a lot. I haven't got paid close to that since. Not sure why. Maybe I was just in the right area at the right time. The next one there, 1,500, 1,600. If we scroll up here, they did have a payment that was broken up into 4, which totals right around 2,800 tokens. Scroll up, and then the last payment I got was 1,500. Now, when you do Hive Map, okay, let's say you mapped on a Tuesday. Now, Hivemapper pays you every Thursday, but it's not the same Thursday. It's going to be the following Thursday. Okay. The cutoff time for mapping as well is at sunset. You'll get a notice on your app that'll say Hive mapping has ended and will restart at sunrise. So that's something to note because somebody did call me and say, well, I can't Hive map at night. I'm like, dude, do you see any Google Earth pictures at night? I'm just curious. No, you don't. So you can only Hive map during the day, guys. Now, there is another way you can earn honey tokens without even having a Hivemapper. What you can do is you can create a wallet off their Block Explorer and you can assist their AI machine learning for signs. This is actually pretty cool. It's a good way to engage with the project, and I actually really like it. So what I did was I created a separate wallet from the one I use on my phone when I drive in my car, and I wanted to see what I would earn. Now, I haven't spent much time doing this. I earned, I think, right around 0.67 honey tokens since I've been doing it, but I've only done it for like 10 minutes at a time. So forgive me, but yep, 0.67086. Not sure you can see it on the screen there, but let me show you how this works because this is actually pretty cool. So it looks like they've added a few more options now since the last time I looked at it. So we'll do speed signs and see what that is. Oh, we need CAPTCHA here. So V for Zulu Papa Hotel. Go back. While we're waiting for it to load, look, little guy sleeping. Just another screen I had to add to my desk. Okay, let's go. So here are the speed signs. Now, this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try to zoom in here. There we go. All right, so this clearly says 45. So what you would do here is you confirm it, 45, right? And you would just go through these signs. It's another 45. Wow, they're all 45s here. 45, uh-oh, taking a while to load. But you get the gist of it. You can actually earn honey tokens by sitting there all day and just clicking a button confirming traffic signs. I think it's very cool. All you have to do is download their desktop wallet, attach it to the Explorer, and honestly, you're good to go. And you can sit there all night and help the machine AI just learn traffic signals. I think that's great. One thing I do want to mention though is, guys, this project is very, very engaging with the community. I've seen them on their Discord. I appreciate them a lot because they actually hit you up personally if there's any issues. They're always open to suggestions and it's like an open forum. It's great. I really like it. It gives me a little bit of security about the project. That's just how I feel and that's my opinion. I know a lot of people are concerned about privacy. Now, I did see that when they release these photos to companies and they sell them, they do blur license plates and faces. I've actually seen them do this. And that is a major concern for some people. I understand that because you do have to share your location, all that good stuff. But so far, so good from what I've seen from the company. So understand that that is something major for me as well. I get it. One more thing to consider is that if you own a company and you have a fleet of vehicles, Hivemapper has a fleet option, which I think is very, very cool. And you can earn all that honey token to one wallet and maybe, you know, save some money and put it back towards the company for gas and other expenses. If you guys are interested in ordering a Hivemapper, use my promo code HAWK10 for 10% off. I believe they recently just dropped the price a little bit on them. So make sure you guys go and check that out. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hawk out.